Inside the factory. This is how things are made.
Inside this factory, color itself is manufactured. Billions of crayons that will draw billions of dreams.
Paraffin wax, refined from petroleum, the foundation of every crayon ever made.
Heated to 135 degrees, solid becomes liquid, ready for transformation. Powdered pigment meets molten wax, the moment color is born.
Mixed to absolute uniformity. Every crayon in a box must match perfectly.
Liquid color flows into molds, 1,200 crayons at a time. Poured, cooled, solidified. 10 minutes from liquid to crayon. The cooling tunnel, where patience creates perfection. Released from their molds, perfect cylinders of pure color. Sorted by machine vision, every color separated, counted, organized. Wrapped and labeled, every crayon named, every color identified. Boxed in rainbow order, 64 colors, infinite possibility. Inspected, packed, shipped worldwide to classrooms, studios, and homes. From petroleum and pigment to art in a child's hand. Wax, pigment, paper, and pure imagination. This is how crayons are made.
Subscribe for more factory processes.